আজকে আমরা ডিসকাস করব স্ট্যাটিক্সের কোপ্লানার ফোর্সেস। কোপ্লানার ফোর্সেস means a system of force acting on a plane. System of force means any forces. এই কোপ্লানার ফোর্সেস যেটা সবথেকে ইম্পর্টেন্ট একটা প্রবলেম, যে এনি সিস্টেম অফ কোপ্লানার ফোর্সেস acting on a rigid body can be reduced to a single resultant forces acting at any arbitrary point in the plane together with a single resultant couple of movement which is equal to the algebraic sum of moments of the given forces about that arbitrary point. First, আমরা আজকে জানবো যে মোমেন্ট আমরা কিভাবে নেব। We consider a force F. We take a moment about any point P. The moment of the force about any point P is equal to the product of the force and the perpendicular distance from P on F. We consider the perpendicular distance be small p, then the moment of the force about a point P is equal to the small p into capital F. এখন আজকে যে থিওরিটা আমরা আলোচনা করব, যে এনি সিস্টেম অফ কোপ্লানার ফোর্সেস acting on a rigid body can be reduced to a single resultant together with a resultant couple of moments which is equal to the algebraic sum of moments of the given forces about that arbitrary point. Let x o x dash and y o y dash, x o x dash and y o y dash be two perpendicular axes at O. Let O be the origin. Let P1, P2, P3 are the forces acting on a plane XO X dash and YO Y dash. We consider P1 forces. P1 forces acting point at A1, coordinate x1 y1. Similarly, P2 forces act A2, coordinate x2 y2. Similarly, P3 P4 forces acting the point A3 A4, so on. আমরা এখন একটা ফোর্স নিয়ে কাজ করব। সাপোজ PI which acting point AI, coordinate xi yi. Let capital X1 y1, capital X2 y2 be the components parallel to the coordinate axis of the forces P1, P2, so on. Let alpha 1, alpha 2 inclination of the direction of the forces P1, P2 ... with the parallel to OX, that is the angle alpha I. Alpha I be the angle of the force Pi with the parallel to the axis OX. Pi component xi, yi, where xi समान pi into cos alpha I and yi equal to pi into sin alpha I. xi along x axis, yi along y axis. Pi forces can be resolved along parallel to x axis be xi, parallel to y axis be yi. Now we introduce at O a pair of equal and opposite forces capital Xi, capital Xi, acting in the line OX and OX dash. Similarly, the opposite forces YI along OY and YI along OY dash introduce. Total system Pi forces equivalent to Xi parallel to X axis, YI parallel to Y axis at AI, and equal and opposite direction forces Xi along OX, Xi along OX dash, and YI along OY, YI along OY dash. The total forces, we get total forces Xi along OX, YI along OY, and Xi along OX dash, Xi parallel to X axis. That means equal but opposite direction force. We know that a like parallel but opposite forces form a couple of moment. Xi form a couple of moment. The moment equal to Xi and the distance between two forces is small yi, which is small xi, capital Xi and capital Xi to like parallel but opposite forces form a couple of moment. The moment equal to small capital Xi into small yi, force into distance between two forces. Again, capital Yi along OY dash, capital Yi along AI into AI, parallel to Y axis, form a couple of moment. The moment equal to force capital Yi and distance between them, small xi. Sign of the movement, dixi forces clockwise sense, anti-clockwise sense, and about O clockwise sense. This force xi tendency clockwise sense, then the negative sign capital YI force about O sense anti-clockwise, this positive sign. So total movement equal to minus capital Xi into small xi yi plus small xi into capital Yi. Similarly, other forces P1, P2, P3 resolve. Similar way, we get total movement capital G समान summation xi into capital Yi minus yi into capital Xi. All the forces resolve. Similar way, we get the capital X, we get the moment along x-axis at O is x1 plus x2 plus ... xi plus, which is denoted by capital X, and along OY resolved part of the forces P1, P2 ... the sum of the forces along OY is y1 plus y2 plus yi plus ... which is denoted by capital Y. Capital X is the force along x-axis equal to x1 plus x2 plus ... xi. Sum of the component of the forces along x-axis. Similarly, capital Y equal to sum of the forces along y-axis. That is, capital X is equal to summation xi, capital Y is equal to summation yi. And G is the Coulomb movement equal to summation small xi into capital Yi minus small yi into capital Xi. We get the coplanar forces, all coplanar forces P1, P2, P3 acting on a rigid body can be reduced to a single resultant capital R equal to root over x square plus y square, and a Coulomb movement G is equal to summation xi yi minus yi xi. এই সামেশন xi yi আমরা থিওরিতে দেখেছিলাম যে Coulomb movement which is equal to the algebraic sum, that is small x1 capital Y1 minus small y1 into capital X1 plus small x2 into capital Y2 minus small y2 into capital X2 plus ... which is written as summation small xi into capital Yi minus small yi into capital Xi. Total forces can be reduced to a single resultant R equal to root over x square plus y square, and together with a Coulomb movement is G equal to summation xi yi minus yi xi, where capital X equal to summation xi, capital Y is equal to summation yi. R at O left, theta be the direction of the resultant r, then tan theta equal to y by x and Coulomb movement g equal to summation xi into capital Yi minus summation yi into capital xi। তাহলে সামারি আমরা যদি টোটাল সিস্টেমটাকে সংক্ষেপে ভাবি তাহলে কি দাঁড়ালো না, a system of coplanar forces acting on a rigid body can be reduced to a single resultant at O whose direction be theta, then tan theta is equal to y by x and a Coulomb movement g equal to summation xi capital Yi minus yi into capital Xi। Next, if resultant r equal to 0, if r equal to 0, that is capital X equal to 0, capital Y equal to 0, but G not equal to 0, তাহলে the system reduced to a single couple together, single couple of movement G। If resultant 0 but G not is equal to 0, the system reduced to a single couple G and the body has tendency of rotation but not translation। Note 2, if R not is equal to 0 but G equal to 0, the system reduced to a single resultant R at O, then the body has tendency of translation but not rotation। মানে Coulomb movement not is equal to 0 but r 0, তাহলে body tendency rotation but not translation। if r not is equal to 0 but g equal to 0, তাহলে body reduced to a single resultant r at O and the body has a tendency y of translation but not rotation। Note 3, if r0 and g0, a system of force neither rotation not translation, system of force neither rotation rotate করছে না not translation, then system is in equilibrium। when the system is in equilibrium of a coplanar forces, if r equal to 0 and g equal to 0,